Hey everybody! Today I am just attacking all the cleaning in our house. So I just got back from New Zealand at the beginning of this week and Alessi's just here smiling at me. Hi Alessi! She's so cute, I love her. But I just got back from New Zealand. Amos did a bit of cleaning. We both just finished uni and he was working and we were just kind of taking time to relax because we literally moved into this house the week before exam week. So everything just kind of got dumped everywhere. It's all chaos. Our kitchen and pantry are still a mess, so those will be a later project. But I really want to get Alessi's room organized because she's kind of sleeping in our room right now. She has her cot right here, but she still feeds through the night, so it's just easier having her in her bassinet in our room currently. We're hoping to just start kind of training her to go into her own room ASAP because we want our room back. This is what we're dealing with. It is an absolute bomb in here because this has been the dumping room. Alessi's room has been the dumping room. Everywhere else is actually pretty good in our house, but Alessi's room is the dumping room. So I'm gonna go through it all right now. And we're also gonna sell a bunch of stuff and probably just throw a bunch of stuff to Vinny's as well because we just have way too much junk that we overbought when we had a baby. We didn't realize how quickly she'd grow out of her clothes. So we have so many 000 outfits. With a lot of them we will use for our next baby girl. Hopefully we have another girl because I love having a girl. Mwah. But yeah, I'm just gonna organize this room. Let's get into it. Woo! Yeah!
So, my dilemma is, with baby clothes, I don't know what to pack away and what not to pack away, because it can't just go in simple sizes, because she's way too big for some double zeros, and some of the zeros are huge on her, and she still fits some of her double zeros, so I just don't know. Do I pack them in like what fits her, or do I just keep them to the sizes? And then, when do I pack away and bring things out? Such a dilemma, isn't it? It's so hard. So hard, Alessi!
Alrighty, so a few days have passed and this is what we're now working with. Definitely a lot better. So I made a bunch of progress. We've also had another load of washing added to this room. Seems to be our endless cycle, but I think we're gonna finish it off today. So this whole corner is now complete. I still have to put that basket away. That's like the freshest basket that we just washed. And then this is what the rest of it's looking like. So that stuff is going, I'm gonna send it to Vinny's after I wash it. And this is what the rest of it's looking like. So that stuff in that basket is gonna go to Vinny's. I'm still gonna go through and get rid of some more stuff because I have way too many clothes. And like just jeans. Why do I need that much jeans? So I'm gonna go through all of that and get rid of some more stuff just because I wanna our house is small, so I need to declutter. Then I have to go through all of Alessi's drawers and organize them, get rid of all her clothes that are too small. So that's a later job. And this is the project I'm about to tackle. So everything's just kind of dumped there. I'm thinking of putting some of her books on top of this with her jewelry box. But yeah, there's just like not enough space. Like there's just not enough space in this house. Like this wardrobe behind me is basically our only storage. Like, and then we have a tiny little linen cupboard. But we have to put like our Christmas tree, her old pram, everything is just dumped in here. Like, and then the clothes that she grows out of / yeah, it's just a bit crazy. I need to wipe that because that's kind of gross. But I don't know how to organize these books. Does anyone have any ideas? I feel like whatever way I do it, it just looks messy because these books are like way bigger than these ones. So I'm not sure. And plus there's that stuff.